Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE and this is another tech tip. In today's tech tip, we'll be having a look at how we can collect files from our clients using Zoho Workdrive. So as a refresher, Zoho Workdrive is the cloud file storage app that's included in the Zoho One suite. It's basically Zoho's version of Dropbox. I've got another video which gives you more of an overview if you'd like to check that out. But today we'll be talking about how to collect files. So some examples of how we could use this is to collect resumes for a job role, or to collect documents from our clients before you start working on their project. Okay, so firstly we come into Zoho Workdrive, and on the left hand side there's a collect files option. So if we click on this, it brings us to this page here. There's a nice video and an overview of what collect files actually does. So we'll click on create collection. Here we can decide whether it's an internal or external collection. So let's go external because our clients will be outside of our organization. We need to give it a name. So in our example here, we are a web designer and we want to collect our clients' logos before we start working on their website. So we'll call it logos. Details here is any instructions for our clients. Notes are internal notes for ourselves. Here we have the location, so this is where the files will be stored in our Workdrive setup. So we can choose from any of our Workdrive folders, and we can create a new one as well. So I've got this one here called client logos, so I'm going to use that one. Okay, I can request some information from the client when they upload their file, so I can collect name, phone or email. So I'm just going to leave it as name, and the reason I'm going to do that is because I want to create a separate folder each time a client uploads with their name, okay, which I can do using this setting here, which is really handy. Okay, then we can set a limit on the number of files they can upload. We can set a file size limit, and we can set an expiration date on this collection. Okay, so if we only wanted it open for a day, we can set that. Also, I've got notifications turned on, so I know when someone uploads. We'll click on create, and that's it. It's created our link now. So this is our external link which we can share to our clients. I can email it to them directly from here, but what I'd suggest is putting it into a Zoho CRM email template in your process. So perhaps if you are onboarding them as a client, you could add this link into the onboarding email saying please upload your logo, click on the link below. So we'll copy this link, go and have a look at it, and we'll see how it works. So this is the link that my clients will see. Okay, so it's very simple. It's just a page. It just asks for their name before it gets to the file upload page. So put in my name. Okay, then it asks me to upload my files. So I'll put my logo in there, submit the files. Okay, that's done. So now I can check that that's gone into my Workdrive folder. So I go here, test client logos. So you can see here it's created a folder for me using the name that I gave, and there's my logo. Okay, so it's really easy to set up. It's very streamlined. It saves all that hassle of sending out emails, asking for attachments from clients, having trouble with large files and email clients, particularly if you put the link in an email template. It really streamlines that whole process. Then we can go back to our collect files page here, go to active, and you can see this is the one I've got set up. So you can create multiple collections as well. You can have a look at the submissions, see who's submitted. So you can see here it's just me, it shows the time, and
the file. But obviously once we've sent that out to more clients, that list will get bigger and bigger. But yeah, it's a really useful feature and I definitely recommend checking it out.